Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nat, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy homemade macarons without almond flour. So get ready as I show you how to create this delightful dessert. So if this sounds like content you like, please consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here go everything you will need. You will need some granulated sugar, some flour, some powdered sugar, also some egg whites, a pinch of salt, food coloring, and some pure vanilla extract. And also I will have everything listed down below. So the first thing we're going to do is add our egg whites, which I'm using 2 egg whites, a pinch of salt. And now we're going to just whisk everything until we get some firm peaks. Right here you can see the little bubbles forming, but we want to keep going. So once we get to this point and it's starting to look like foam, we're going to start adding our sugar, and we're going to make sure we add a little bit at a time. Now we're just going to add the remainder of our sugar. So now once you create your meringue, you're going to go ahead and add some vanilla extract. And we're just going to keep blending until we get some stiff peaks. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and start with the dry ingredients. So now in our sifter, we're going to go ahead and add our flour. And now we're going to also add our powdered sugar. Now we're just going to sift it just to make sure we get all the clumps and lumps out. So I didn't know what color I wanted to do at first, so I ended up deciding to pick a pink color. So I'm going to use red, and I'm just going to add a few drops. This is very concentrated, so you just want to add a few drops at a time. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. Next, we're just going to give everything a quick stir until everything is well combined. So once we're all mixed up, it should look like this. And when you lift it up, it should have like a little ripple effect. And that's how you know you got the right consistency. Now I'm going to be using my baking placemat, which I'll leave a link down below of where I got this. You can find these off of Amazon or even at Walmart. But I'm going to go ahead and add just the right amount, which I will try to stay in the first circle. And I'm going to be doing the same for all of them. So now once they're all done, we're going to go ahead and give it a few taps just to release any bubbles. Now we're going to let these sit out for about 15 minutes while we let our oven preheat on 350 just so it can keep that shiny top. Now we're going to place our cookies in the oven for about 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll get started with our filling. So now we are going to be using 6 tablespoons of soft room temperature butter. And now we're going to make sure we give it a quick blend just so it can get nice and light and airy. Next, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we're going to be adding our powdered sugar a little bit at a time until it gets nice and creamy. Now that we let our macarons cool, we're going to start filling our macarons. So this is how it should look, nice and shiny. And we're going to add our filling in the middle. Then we're going to add the other side and smash together. And just like that, we made ourselves a macaron. You guys, can y'all believe this is my first time making these? These were super easy to make, so I know if I can do it, you can do it. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give me a like. Also, leave me a comment if you will have any suggestions of the next recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I really do appreciate you guys coming in. Also, if you have any suggestions of the next recipe, again, you can leave it down in the comment section. Until the next video, you guys, peace. If you enjoyed this video, I know you'll like this one. Check it out.